In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add stocks to your portfolio. First, let's have a look at the portfolio section of the application. The portfolio section is broken down into 4 parts. The first part is where we see the 3 default stocks, Yahoo, Amazon, and Apple, and beside each stock, there is information such as cost, shares, quote, and day change. The chart on the bottom left shows the market value of your portfolio over time. You can scroll your mouse over certain dates to see what the market value of your portfolio was for that given day. The middle chart shows the history of quotes for your particular securities. Simply click on the stock that you want to see the quotes for and scroll your mouse over the graph to see what the stock price was at certain dates. The market indices shows values for the major world indices and their daily changes. To add a new security to the portfolio, click on the Add button in the lower left corner of the window. In the pop-up screen, type in the name of the company and the symbol associated with the stock. If you know what the price is, enter it in the quote field, otherwise leave the field blank. To get the price of the stock, click on the Refresh button. This could take a few seconds, so while we wait, let's add another stock to the portfolio. The same process applies. When we are finished adding this stock, we can now see that the price for the previous stock has loaded. In order for the portfolio to show you as owning shares, you must first do 2 things. The first is open an investment account. You can do this by clicking on the plus sign in the lower left corner, selecting investment as the account type, and filling in all the other various information. Next, open up the window for the investment account you just created. In the bottom left corner of the screen, click on the Add button. In this pop-up window, fill in all the information about the stock you just purchased or sold. In this example, I'm going to buy 100 shares of General Electric at $15 a share with a $10 commission. All of the information of this transaction is now available in this investment account. Now, when we go back to the portfolio, we see that this transaction is now accounted for as the cost, shares, market value, and gain columns show values for this stock. The same thing will happen if we short a stock. Again, open up your investment account and click on the Add button in the lower left corner. Now let's sell 50 shares of Google at $500 a share with a commission of $50. Once again, all of these details of this transaction appear in the investment account, and the corresponding values for the sale of this stock, including the negative 50 shares, also appear in our portfolio. Now, let me just quickly show you what happens when you sell a stock which we already own shares in. So, since we own 100 shares of General Electric, let's see what happens when we sell 50 shares of it at $16 a share. After we've inputted this transaction, the portfolio now shows us the number of shares has been reduced from 100 to 50. So that's how you use the portfolio section of this application. To learn more about how to use money and some of its features, be sure to watch the other videos in our video tutorial series.